Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to change the controller sensitivity in Gumball With Your Friends. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, make sure you are in the General tab. Here, scroll down and look for Controller Settings. Here you can set the control sensitivity. Pick a value between 1.0 and 20.0. You can either input it via this slider or you can input it as text. I'll set it to 10.0. Once you make your changes, simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to subscribe, comment and like the video.